Hey guys, here's my brother, and he can say words, but I don't know if he will. Can you say yay? No. Can you say no? Can you? No. Say mama. No. Say mama. No. Wow, you want to see my cat? Here is my cat. Right here. My name's Tigger. I'm gonna wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, you wanna bite me? Well, that's the end of the video. Just saying, that's my brother and that was my cat. Tigger and Brandon. Brandon is the little one, 2 years old. Tigger's the cat. No.